I don't think you can roll that. You can't even get in.
Restart this.
So there you go. Hey, shall I take it on again? Sure, we'll do it again.
Yeah.
Even though it's still playing. Yeah, restart it. I don't see your name from outside. You can't even get in. No! Yeah. That looks like a toupee. I get what you get in 10 years, in 2 days. Ladies. Her head banged against my head, so we were like laughing.
Is this cut?
Huh?
Music? Yeah.
Sure.
I don't know. Is there F-bombs or any kind
There's no F-bombs.
Are there
There's an S one time, I think.
But we blocked it out. No.
Yeah, whenever it happens, we're like,
No. You guys chill out.
why are you so mad?
I'm not mad. It's just chill. Everybody else has to work. We don't have a summer break. So shut up. Chill out and find something low-key to do in here. Quit doing that just because Shayla is. What oh?
What else?
Turn that off.
This is all a video.
Okay, who texted me? What's his name?
No one.
Oh my god.
Who was it?
It really was. That was
What
so...
did you text him and never
No, I really didn't text him.
What? You were like, I'm gonna kill this kid. Why did you text him?
No, I texted him yesterday. I'm like, hey, I'm thank you.
Oh, sorry.
We gotta crop this. We're putting this on Facebook. That's gonna be